Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to unbox the Wick Automatic Air Freshener Spray. The Wick Automatic Air Freshener Spray automatically releases bursts of fragrance for continuous freshness. The Wick Automatic Air Freshener Spray is battery-powered. It uses one AA battery, which is available inside the box. Guys, let's start unboxing. Please watch this video till the end. You can place the Wick Automatic Air Freshener Spray in many places, such as the living room, toilet, and bedroom. The Wick Automatic Air Freshener Spray fills your home with a continuous and fresh fragrance. It also comes with one refill. The refill contains 250 milliliters of fresh linen or soft cotton and provides up to 70 days of automatic and continuous fragrance on a low setting. The Wick Automatic Air Freshener Spray releases bursts of fragrance, neutralizes tough odors, and continuously freshens your home. Your home will have the freshness you love, 24/7. To use this Wick Automatic Air Freshener Spray, twist the bottom cover gently to open it. This Wick Automatic Air Freshener Spray includes one AA battery, 1.5 volts. If the battery has run out one day, the device will stop spraying, and you will need to replace the battery with a new, good quality, alkaline battery. So this starter kit includes one AA battery, one refill, and one Wick Automatic Air Freshener Spray device. The Wick Automatic Air Freshener Spray is cordless and portable. Here you can find the off button and the 3 flower settings, small, medium, and large. The bigger the flower, the more intense the fragrance. The sprays bursts at 9, 18, or 40 minutes settings to achieve desired fragrance level to the needs of your home. The latest Wick Automatic Air Freshener Spray device provides up to 70 days of freshness per refill on the 40-minute setting. You can choose your perfect automatic spray scents, such as Fresh Waters, Paradise Retreat, Summer Delights, Fresh Linen, and many more. I decided to try the Fresh Linen this time. When you insert the refill, close the cover and select the desired operating setting, low, medium, or high. The device should spray after 15 seconds. If it does not spray after 15 seconds, you may need to replace the battery. I think it is a great product. It keeps the home smelling fresh. And I love the many scents that I can choose. You can hang the Wick Automatic Air Freshener Spray on the wall, or place it on a shelf or a cupboard at least 6 feet above floor level. It is going to make your house smell good. Please like, comment, and subscribe.